guys, so today we are going to make an animated video that talks about one of natural phenomena, which is an English assignment from our teacher Mr. John. But before that, we better to acquaint it first. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahayu Pujiati and my friends
Paulince Sawaki. We are from class 11 SOS 3 SMA NEGERI 1 MIMIKA.
A mirage is an illusion created by optical phenomena and can be caused by several things. We often hear many stories from several people who have experienced the illusion of the mirage. It's so difficult to distinguish whether the mirage is just an illusion or part of hallucination.
The term mirage is now known as an optical illusion that is often encountered by people in certain areas. However, did you know that term mirage comes from the name of a fairy named Fatamorgana, who is the sister of King Arthur? The fairy is known as a fairy who often changes shape. That's why we know now the term mirage. Besides occurring in desert, mirage are also often found in ice fields as well as open places.
Mirage consists of various types amongst others, as follows. Number 1. Inferior mirage. Inferior mirage. That is a mirage that usually occurs when the temperature is hot. For example, on the paved road or in the desert when the weather is hot and very hot. Number 2. Superior mirage. Superior mirage. That is a mirage can occur in cold temperature, for example, in the polar regions or in the middle of ocean, including the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Number 3. Lateral mirage. Lateral mirage are similar to inferior mirage, is that differ only in that the temperature gradient occurs in a horizontal direction. For example, on the walls of a building or vertical planes. Now that we know about the types of mirage, we will learn about how mirage occur.
The occurrence of the mirage was initially due to the temperature difference between the cold air temperatures and the hot air temperature in the Earth's atmosphere. Cool air temperature has a tendency that hot air temperature. On the contrary, hot air temperature has a lower descendant and is also lighter than cold air temperature. With the difference in the air temperature, the layer of air with a hot temperature with a close to the ground or the air crust and temperature by a layer of air with a cooler temperature above it. This will make the light revert toward the horizontal line in view and travel upward due to the total internal effect. Total internal reflection is the process of reflection of light that occurs in the modified surface between one second medium beyond a certain scale angle. Light in a medium with a high reflective index will travel into a medium with a lower reflective index. And when your eyes see this light, we will see it like seeing the shadow of water, which is called a mirage.
Those are some of the processes that explain the occurrence of mirage that seems mysterious when seen by our eyes. In a sense, the occurrence of this mirage is a refraction event that occurs by sunlight as a result of difference in air temperature density that occur over a wide area and also in hot conditions. There are several effects of the mirage. Number 1. Misinterpretation of the light of the city. Number 2. To make people tired.
So, those are some of the impacts that can be felt by humans from the excitement of mirage. Mirage tends to be negative for humans because many humans are deceived by it. But on the other hand, mirage also arouses amazement for humans because humans can see unique secrets on the earth as an amazing natural phenomenon on earth.
So, many explanations from us may be useful for all of us. On this video, there are still many shortcomings. Therefore, suggestion and criticism are very much needed. I'm Rahayu.
And I'm Paulince, saying goodbye.
Thank you.